Inherited a MON capture file from older Microsoft Network Monitor and need to analyze the network data? These predate today's standard formats but still hold valuable diagnostic information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these network monitor capture files. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest MON files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. A data file that captures and stores network traffic packets from a computer's network interface. Users, typically IT professionals or network administrators, search for this file type to analyze network performance, troubleshoot connectivity issues, or inspect the data being transmitted by specific applications for security or debugging purposes. The MON format is a proprietary binary structure designed for high-speed sequential writing of network packet data. Each entry contains a timestamp, frame length, and the raw packet payload. This design prioritizes capture efficiency over easy readability, requiring specialized software like Network Monitor to parse and interpret the complex stream of data. Windows often defaults to associating MON with the Microsoft Network Monitor solution from Microsoft Corporation. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. To open this specific MON file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Network Monitor is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If your MON file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We're dealing with a highly specific MON file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, opening a network monitor. Install Microsoft Network Monitor 3.4 still available from Microsoft Download Center for legacy support. Use File then Open Capture to load the MON file with full protocol decode capability. The application displays frames with detailed parsing of Microsoft protocols, providing analysis features superior to various developers' tools for Windows-specific traffic. Next, converting with NMCap. Use NMCap command line tool to convert MON files to CAP format, compatible with Wireshark and other modern analyzers. Run NMCap input capturefile.mon capture file output.cap to perform the conversion. This bridges legacy network monitor captures to current network analysis tooling for ongoing investigations and historical data review. Finally, migrating to Message Analyzer. Microsoft Message Analyzer was the successor to Network Monitor, though it has also been retired. For new captures, use Wireshark, which provides excellent protocol coverage, including Microsoft-specific protocols through its plugin ecosystem. PCAPNG is the modern industry standard for network captures with broad tool compatibility across platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.